In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Webflow template. By reset, we mean rolling your project back to a previous snapshot so it matches an earlier state of your template. We'll use Webflow's built-in backups, which makes this safe and reversible. First, head to Webflow and open the project you want to reset. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct site. If you work with a team, double-check you're in the right workspace and that you have permission to change settings. From your project, open the site settings. You'll typically find this from the project card or the gear icon. If you're inside the designer, you can return to the dashboard and open the settings from there. Site settings is where Webflow stores all project-level controls, including backups. Inside site settings, go to the Backups section. This is your timeline of saved versions. Webflow automatically creates site backups as you work, and it will also save your current version right before you restore an older one. That means you can try a restore without fear. You can always roll forward again if you change your mind. Before you commit, use Preview on a backup. Preview opens a snapshot so you can quickly verify what that version looked like. This is especially helpful if you're aiming for the template's original layout or a point before major edits. Look for a backup created when the template was still clean, often right after you first duplicated or installed it. Next, select the automatic backup that best represents the state you want. Automatic backups are time-stamped, so use the date and description, if available, to guide your choice. If you created any named backups during your build, those are great anchors too. When you're confident, click the Restore control on that backup and confirm. Webflow will roll your project back to that exact moment, and, importantly, it will create a backup of the version you just left. That safeguard lets you undo the reset if needed. The process can take a moment depending on the size of your site, so be patient and let it finish. A few tips as you work through this. If you're collaborating, let teammates know you're restoring so no one edits mid-process. Consider making a manual backup and naming it clearly before big changes in the future. Something like pre-rebrand or clean template state makes life easier. And after the restore, review key pages, interactions, and styles in the